What's up, Babylon, YouTube, whatever you guys are from? Alright, I just want you to check out how to fix up some root growth today. See this all sticking out here? Check this, man. Dreadhead Jaja's got some loose roots. Alright, on my last video, I'm pretty sure I showed you a single stitch and a twist and tuck through. This is going to be no more than just a twist and tuck, but I'm going to show you how twisting at the root, look at that, tightens it right up. And that's what you need. You don't want loose hair up there. What if you're ducking through the woods and all of a sudden there's a little branch sticking out and it's gonna claw your dread and oh my gosh, it tears you from the root. No, you don't want that. So just a twist and tuck, you know. As soon as you got it tight, say I did like 2-3 times around. You know, if you just hold the dread here and twist from here, you don't have to like rotate the whole dread. But yeah, you just get that twist. And the thing is with twisting, you're probably gonna want to stay consistent with your direction on all your twists and tucks. If you work with clockwise, keep it all clockwise. You work with counterclockwise, keep it all counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever. But that's it, you know, twist and tug. Look, you don't see it's all sticking up anymore. Fixed enough right there. That's how you do it. Alright, I'll get back to you later with another palm rolling video and show you how to palm roll some of this loose stuff that sticks out. Say you get your stitches done, but you wanted to start palm rolling. We'll get to that in a little bit. Hope you guys have a great day. Best of luck. Dreadlock maintenance underway. Peace.